Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2015 set 1 guys. Okay, so the given question is consider a LAN with 4 nodes S1, S2, S3 and S4. Time is divided into fixed sizes slots and a node can begin its transmission only at the beginning of a slot. Okay, so a collision is said to have occurred if more than one nodes are transmitted at the same time. Okay, so the probability of generating the function S1, S2, S3 and S4 are given respectively. The probability of sending a frame in the first slot without any collision by 4 stations is. Okay, so basically this is a direct application of that particular type of problem, right? Yes. So basically let us take 4 different cases, right? Yes. So here S1 is sending, here S2 is sending, here S3 is sending, here S4 is sending, right? Yes. So let us start. So if S1 is sending, so its a probability should be of sending, right? So its a probability is 0.1 with when it is sending, and rest all should not send. So this will be 0.8, right? Yes. And this will be 0.7 and this will be 0.6 plus. So if a second item is sending, it should be 0.2 into, okay, so the first one will be 0.9, the third one will be 0.7, the last one will be 0.6. Okay, so if the third one is sending, it will be 0.3 into 0.9 into 0.8 into 0.6. Okay, so if a last guy is sending 0.4 into 0.9 into 0.2 into 0.8 into 0.7, right? Yes. So everything you add, you will get the result. That's it, right? Yes. Okay, so let us start the calculation. Okay guys, whenever you are doing these type of calculations, always concentrate guys, because one silly mistake will end up with some other answer. So 0.1 into 0.8 into 0.7 into 0.6. So this is the first multiplication. After that 0.2 into 0.9 into 0.7 into 0.6. Moving on, 0.3 into 0.9 into 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 into 0.6. Moving on to the last part, 0.4 into 0.9 into 0.8 into 0.7. Okay, so the final result which we got is a 0.4404, right? Yes. So 0.4404 is the probability that any one of them could go correct. Got it? Yes. So it's a quite easy question, right? So basically what the exact question they asked is, so there are 4 different stations. What is the probability that any one of them could send the packet successfully without any collision? So if 2 packets send the data at same time, collision will occur. So they give the probability of sending. So basically one will send, everyone will keep silent. 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 So in that logic, we have solved the question. Got it? Yes. So it's a direct question guys. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So once you solve one type of question in this way, it will be a piece of cake to solve any other question guys. Okay. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.